simple words. There are two varieties of spice I believe in. There are so many, but one is savory spice and sweet spice. It doesn't mean that the savory spices are supposed to be used in savories, or sweet spices are supposed to be used in sweets. You could use anywhere, wherever you feel comfortable. Keep in mind, cooking is just cooking. It's not flying rockets. It's very simple. You know, what you like is what you cook, right?
Fun to get to know the chef. So that piece was really interesting to hear his background, and he was so expressive.
It was definitely something that I would hope to see again on Living Social. You know, one of those things that probably only comes around once in a while. You know, if anybody has the opportunity to do something like this again, I would definitely recommend it.
So that's kind of what Studio Gourmet is about. It's just really the opportunity for all of you to really kind of get to know the chef, hear his stories, see him in action, and obviously get to taste some great food, drink some nice wine, and just have a kind of a cool night out on the town.